Grizzly Industrial G0771Z Hybrid Table Saw. Honest proof, it hits the sweet spot.
The Grizzly Industrial G0771Z 10-inch 2HP 120-volt hybrid table saw is exactly what its name promises, a genuine hybrid. It combines the heavy-duty cast-iron trunnions and fully enclosed cabinet of a professional cabinet saw with the more manageable footprint and standard power requirements of a contractor saw. The result is a serious, capable shop machine that runs on an ordinary household 120-volt, 20-amp circuit with no electrical rewiring required. It rips hardwood cleanly, accepts dado blades, and maintains its precision through years of repeated use. For woodworkers caught between underpowered portable saws and expensive full cabinet rigs, this lands right in that genuinely satisfying middle ground. It feels at home in a garage workshop, a small studio, or a growing hobbyist setup. Imagine never dealing with an underpowered saw struggling through thick hardwood again.
Here are the advantages that matter most in daily shop use. The 2HP TEFC induction motor powers through hardwood rips at 3,450 RPM without bogging down, keeping your workflow moving smoothly instead of stalling mid-cut. The precision ground cast iron table and cast iron extension wings provide a stable, consistently flat cutting surface that remains accurate over time, not just during the first few sessions. The T-shaped hybrid fence glides effortlessly, locks solidly at the front, and accepts accessories through built-in T-slots, a fence design refined through more than 30 years of Grizzly development. Here is where it becomes especially impressive. The fully enclosed steel cabinet with its integrated 4-inch dust port helps keep your workspace noticeably cleaner than most open-stand contractor saws, allowing you to spend less time sweeping and more time making productive cuts. The quick-release blade guard and riving knife can be swapped in seconds, not minutes. Have you been losing valuable shop time on tool changes that should be effortless?
Picture this moment clearly. A woodworker upgrades from a portable job site saw to the G0771Z, genuinely expecting that a hybrid at this price point will feel like a compromise. Then comes the first cut through a thick oak board. Clean, smooth, confident, with zero bogging. That hesitation disappears almost instantly. One long-term owner summed it up after 5 full years of consistent use. It has been a great saw. Another user who purchased it in 2017 shared this: blade alignment was dead on when I got it and still is dead on. These are not flashy testimonials. They are the quiet, steady kind that only come from tools that earn trust session after session, year after year. The before is wrestling through cuts on an underpowered saw with a fence that needs resquaring every single time. The after is locking in your measurement, making the cut cleanly, and walking away with a precise, finished result. That difference adds up fast.
After comparing several options in this price range, one thing becomes clear. Do not settle for just any hybrid table saw. Make sure it features cabinet-mounted cast iron trunnions, so you are not fighting blade drift and frame flex on a machine that cannot maintain its geometry under real load. The G0771Z meets that standard, with a verified 4.6 out of 5 stars across 393 customer reviews on Grizzly's own platform, a strong, consistent rating earned through years of real-world shop use. Tools Radar described it as powerful enough for serious work, precise enough for fine joinery, and robust enough to withstand the demands of a busy workshop. A Lumberjacks reviewer who invested close to $1,000 in this saw concluded directly, "For that price, I don't think you could get any better. Totally worth every cent." The motor handles everyday hardwood cuts without hesitation. The cast iron table maintains its flatness, and the hybrid design delivers cabinet-level stability without requiring you to rewire your entire shop just to power it. Which matters most to you? Comment 1 for cutting accuracy, 2 for dust collection, or 3 for cabinet-level performance on a 120-volt circuit. The Grizzly Industrial G0771Z 10-inch 2 HP 120-volt hybrid table saw delivers cabinet-level stability and genuine cutting precision on a standard household circuit without the premium price tag typically associated with full cabinet saws. Thousands of shop owners and serious hobbyists rely on it every day with real confidence. It only takes a few seconds to find out whether it is the right fit for your setup. My link is in the description and pinned at the top. Just click and see for yourself. You deserve this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.